How to connect your PayPal account with System.io. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to connect your PayPal account with System.io. Let's get started. First, log into your System.io account and head over to your dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Settings and click Payment Gateways. In the Payment Gateways section, you will see different page options you can link with System.io. Click on Connect with PayPal. Now, to connect your PayPal account, you will need to enter your PayPal login credentials, your signature, and then click Save. But before you can fully connect, you will need one important thing, your PayPal API credentials. To get your API credentials, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the API section settings. Once you have your username, password, and signature, go back to System.io and enter them. After filling out the required fields, click Save, and that's it. You have successfully connected your PayPal account to System.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.